Hello and welcome back. In this video, we are going to look at the implementation of this CTC beam search decoder. And the CTC stands for Connectionist Temporal Classification. And if you look here in the docs, it says that this particular method performs a beam search decoding on the logits given in input. And these logits could be the outputs of a neural network such as an RNN. We won't be going into any details apart from this. I will straight away jump into the implementation part. The logits tensor, let's say this is the logits tensor that we have created, and we can look at the shape of this tensor. So we can print logits underscore tensor dot shape, and this is 2 by 3 by 4, and that is representative of this max time, batch size, and number of classes. Next, based on that, we create a input sequence length as we see here, and the input sequence length here is 2 by 222 as we can see. And then we use all of this information into the a CTC beam search decoder, where the input is equal to the logits tensor that we've created above. Sequence length is the input sequence length we created above, and the beam width here we are using is 3. When we run this, we generate the results and we can print them out right here. So here we can see that we have printed out the decoded sequence and the decoding log probability. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please do let me know in the comment section below. Thank you.